The rich, aromatic flavor of wild leeks is a compelling reason to search for them before the trees are in leaf in your local woodlands or gourmet store. What makes them so tasty is also what makes them a superfood. Ramps are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant flavonoids, which are known to have fungicidal, antiseptic, and antiparasitic properties that aid in gut health and spring cleansing. Scientists have studied these component parts to prove out their many health benefits, yet the tonic effect of the bioactive elements in ramps is something we have yet to replicate in a lab. Eat a meal of ramps and you may notice an increase in energy and mental clarity. They're also known to help protect your heart and circulatory system, aid in weight management, fight cancer, and contribute to overall longevity. Just about everything you'd want in a functional food. The leeks are beautifully roasted, and we're just going to use the greens for the pasta. We're going to save these to serve as a condiment on the side. So I'm just going to chop these up like you would any kind of green that you throw into pasta. Could be kale, could be Swiss chard, spinach, or an herb like basil. So instead of a pesto, which we'll be making later, this is just the fresh green going into the pasta. All right, and then we'll put it in this beautiful bowl. So this is the simplest pasta ever. These are some little orecchiette, little ears. And we've warmed up our chickpeas. We'll throw in the greens, the beautiful wild leek greens. Aren't they gorgeous? A little sea salt. This is fleur de sel, so it's the top salt. It's super full of minerals and it's got kind of almost a sweetness to it. That's going to bring out the sweetness in the leeks. A little bit of fresh ground pepper. A little bit of Parmesan. This could be any kind of grated cheese. We've got some shaved Parmesan and if there's a little Romano in there. Top it off with that. And a little bit of really beautiful, first cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. This is just going to brighten the whole dish. And it looks so pretty on there. A little bit of sunshine. And voila, bon appetit!